Science teacher accused of planting a bullet in his high school, allegedly to make a bigger point about security. Prosecutors say he was trying to underscore the need for metal detectors. Now, he denied that in court. But as Katie Brace explains from Southbridge, police say the stunt made a lot of people nervous.
A teacher is accused of planting ammunition in the school to make a point. But what happened is the school went into lockdown, scaring students. School surveillance video shows police responding to Southbridge High School, where a teacher reported finding ammunition. The school went into lockdown for about an hour.
We put the desk in the door so he doesn't come or, and be quiet in the classroom.
Reviewing the video, police say it shows that same teacher who reported the ammo placing the live bullet in the stairwell and even going back and taking a photo of it.
Teacher doing that, that's just crazy.
Science teacher Alfred Purcell was in court a few hours later. Officers say he admitted to planting the bullet to prove a point.
Said that he brought it to school with him to prove that Southbridge High School should have metal detectors.
In court, his attorney said it was a misunderstanding. Investigators also searched Purcell's car and found 102 more live rounds of ammunition.
It's nerve-wracking, with all the stuff going around.
Parents did not appreciate the supposed lesson in school safety.
I think he should have spoke up I mean, he's a teacher. He has a voice. He could have said something to get it out there.
Students who were told to shelter in place are still recovering.
It's scary. It's really scary, for real.
Purcell has about 30 years of teaching experience. He now faces a number of charges, including disturbing a school assembly. His bail was set at $500, but because it was late in the day, he's spending the night in jail. In Southbridge, Katie Brace, WBZ News.
Katie, thank you.